It's me. Alright, I know I've been gone. Do you guys like these? Get one. Circle, circle, cross. Okay. It's Teaching Thursday. So I wanted to show you guys. I decided to work today. Oh. And teach you guys something. Alright. There you go. Teaching Thursday. If you want to learn that, I'll put a link below. Also, for you Stanford doctors, I'm here to teach you guys because I have a lot to teach you guys, or you're gonna get fired. All right, look at my profile picture. That's my doctor. My doctor. Okay, we can go over here. Can you see? My doctor. My doctor. My doctor. Now, if you found me on Bumble, do not contact me until you've watched this. And until you put on my favorite songs. Because you're gonna do what I say. And I only have a minute. Or I guess you guys are gonna have to go longer if you wanna watch me put the cake in the oven. We've gone over our minute. So now this is the video. Alright, fine. You guys know I like to do what? Bake cake. So, look what we did. Remember Antonio with the lemons? We're making more lemon cake for dinner or our guests. And as for Tim Ferriss, we like to make something every day. All right, we're making a beef stew, chicken soup, all made by me. And now we're going out for a walk. So, because I'm digitally detoxed because of Dr. Anna Lembke, who I can't even contact because I don't check the phone, I don't do email, I don't do any of that. So to reach me, tell Dr. Lembke, actually there was a guy from Bumble who worked in our office. If you're watching, please send her this video because I can't reach her. I don't use a phone. I don't have email, text, they keep calling, I don't answer, I have multiple phones. I like to do what, guys? Whatever I want, which is entertain you and my Airbnb guests. Who actually have a very high profile one, which is why I had to disappear. And I like to drink fruit punch all day and coffee. And I got here by myself. Yes, this was all made by me. And I was a victim to many circumstances, as you guys know, which I'm not anymore because I did what, guys? Identity shift. So now we've got people going to this school, that school. All right, Stanford, send this to my doctor or you're fired. You're fired if you don't. Teaching Thursday, 2 blocks that way to Kyoto. Foundation, ask for Shire or Danyo, the head monk, or you can come here and ask for me and I can walk you right in the door. But they're wonderful teachers. And I will be too, Stanford, if you pay attention. Otherwise, UCSF will, and so will UCLA. And we'll just fire all you guys like Kaiser. Comment below if you think Stanford and Kaiser are fired. Love you guys. Happy Teaching Thursday. And if you're ever going through a tough time, call me through Airbnb, as it's my, you know what, guys, social filter. Love you.